My mother made her own gefilte fish. And if you have time, I do have a very nice story about gefilte fish. This comes together with the fact that we lived all over the world. And no matter where we lived, my parents would always come and see us for Passover. And they came to visit us in Singapore, and it was Passover. And my mother said, well, I don't know, where am I going to find the correct fish here? And so we told her that there was this enormous outdoor market in Singapore where they sold fabulous looking fish, and we all went to the market. Here's my mother. We all sat on these low stools. Now, Singaporeans, they speak Chinese. And people in markets don't really speak English. And so my mother sat down and took a look at all the fish. Now, when you make a gefilte fish, it's 3 different types. And she said, okay, this looks like the white fish. This looks like, I think it's cod. I can't remember. And this looks like the other one. So she got it all, came to our house. We had a grinder, ground it up. And I don't eat gefilte fish, but everybody else said it was the most delicious gefilte fish.